It was resting against one of the passing place posts. I'm sure of it. This could be ours. Is it?
Yeah.
Would you look at that?
They don't make cable ties like these, do they?
We drove past that passing place yesterday and I saw that.
Oh.
And I remember thinking like, oh, it's weird that we've just nearly lost one when there's one there. That wasn't there this morning. I wonder when. I don't even know.
The heat from the brakes, obviously, just heat from the plastic.
Yeah, but when did we lose that and not notice? Yep, our car's a bit of a banger. It's a Volvo V70. I think it's like 2003 maybe off the top of my head, but like we've always had old vehicles. We actually used to live in a 1989 Talbot Express motorhome, so like old vehicles don't scare us. Stephen in particular is pretty good at working on them himself, but this Volvo, yeah, very slow. As cool as it looks, it's been a bit of a pain in the arse. Non-stop jobs, like every single time we fix one thing, something else happens. The electrics are going funny at the minute, but it's character, isn't it? As long as you keep on top of it and keep it fixed, but it does get annoying. He's cute. Okay. We'll leave our bikes down here. Nobody is pinching these bikes here.
I've got the coolest bike in Broad.
See, nice calm morning. Perfect riding weather. Can I get the two apples out?
You don't have to do the Christmas baubles. Who's bought the baubles? You don't have to do the Christmas baubles.
Oh my god, I can't do it.
Where's your strength?
Holy fuck, I can't do it.
Gloves on.
I'll loosen that. Oh, I can't do it. I'm joking.
Let me do it in your arm. Just got my tippy toe.
Drink it or put it back in the flask. We want to get back. We're going to walk the dog somewhere new.
Okay.
Come on, go, 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 go. Close on. there's loads of nice spots you can ride to from where we live, but there's not many kind of necessary amenities you can get to easily by bike. The dentist, for example, is a 2-hour drive away. I would die if I tried to ride there. There's one supermarket we can get to, there's a couple of gift shops, a coffee shop, and, I mean, a chippy. And that's very essential, let's be honest. But other than that, there's not really anything we can get to by bike, so it's not really realistic to think that we could go car-free here long term. But we are thinking about challenging ourselves and going car-free for like a month or two, maybe through spring, early summer. We could sell our car and then save the money that we would usually spend on the extortionate price of fuel and the amount that our car goes through. We could put all that together and buy a car that's a little less of a pain in the arse. So that might be a plan. It would be kind of fun to document the challenges of living rurally by bike. It would be fun to document that on YouTube as well. So maybe, we'll see. We'll see how we feel, but part of us kind of does like our car. It's a little bit of an abusive relationship, really. Wheel trim? Looks like modern art. Like slide it under there.
Blimey.
God, it's bigger than I thought. Jesus. Will it work, do you think? Yeah.
People are going to
Oh,
think
that's
it's a new accessory. It's
cool.
trendy. All the kids are doing it.
Right, let's go home. Wouldn't want to lose this really expensive, fancy...
Well, I all I paid 20 quid on eBay for an extra one, remember?
20 quid. Oh God, they're all on the path, I think. Oh, okay. Just go for it.